Hello all, welcome to Free Course. So today I'm going to tell you what are the courses which are offered by Cisco Think Cubita. So there are different courses which is offered by Cisco Think Cubita in different fields of machine learning, computing, and Android app development. Cisco is a big multinational company which just focuses on hardware, software, and different types of software related techniques to development, to machine learning, to data scientists, to every single thing which is related to technology. So Cisco is a big multinational company and it's offering different type of courses on its platform, obviously, which is Cisco Think Cubita. So it's offering different courses, which is around 7 to 8 in numbers. I just not counted it, but it's approx 7 to 8. It was offering in computing, it was offering in Android app development, machine learning, and different other streams, which I'm gonna show you. So whatever link I have provided to you in the description, you will reach to this particular site where you will register with your email ID, password, name, which is required here. So in email, in username, you just dial your real name, which is just for short Avinav Tiwari, and all that email, your all that particular email, password, and name required. You all know that how to register, okay? And then in college, if your college is not available here, you just click on other, and and just type your college name here, obviously. And then after that, just click on your gender and mobile number, and then you will click on particular register button that is here. So now you will register, and after the registration you will reach to a new page, that is this particular page which is shown here. So it will show this type of page where you will see your name, whatever your name is, Avinav, Akshat, or whatever your name is, obviously. So you will see, and then after just register, you will click on this courses tab which is here. So now you will click on courses tab, and when you will click on the course tab, you will the page will lead you to different type of courses which is available as I have said to you, that the courses in how about physical computing, connected devices using Node MCU, developing IoT application, PI and Python, wireless technology for IoT, machine learning and image processing, PCB architecture and design, CAD and 3D printing, and blockchain and interest of things, Android app development, chatbot, smart assistant development, Jetson Nano. And basically this courses is collaborated with NASCOM Foundation and Li2 Technology. So these courses are free with free certifications. I have completed a machine learning course and machine learning course from this particular thing, and I have completed my full course and I have gotten the certificate. That's why I am informing you about this. So there are different type of courses, from application to Node MCU to Python to machine learning to Android app development, and at the end Jetson Nano and chatbot. So you can try this, and just for your information and just for elaborate information, I am just opening one course on here, that is Android development course. So I just opened it. Okay, so here is Android development course. So whenever you reach on any particular course platform or any particular course, so there is this scenario you have been. There is course curriculum and there's flutters, and when you start that course, there's an information in 2-3 lines or introduction to the course whenever you start the course. So whenever you start the course, there is a page which is available to you. In this page, all the information about the course, what are the material you are learning. This material is available on the course, and you will learn step by step from this material whatever you will be learning. And whenever you complete this page and you are satisfied, okay, I have completed this page and I am satisfied with it, whatever knowledge I am gaining from it is 100%. I have gained all the knowledge, I have sucked all the page in. Then you will click on the finish course tab, and then it will lead you to the second page, which is you will click on the continue course here, and it will lead you to the second page, which is home automation using Firebase. So step by step, continuously, conveniently, you will just go to build an Android app, and then Bluetooth control FATA 101 block BLOC, and then at the end you will click on finish course and you will get the certification. And I obviously have said to you there are different type of courses, and each and every courses you will do the same system and processing, and then complete the course and get the certificates. Obviously knowledge is more important than the certification. I'm just not focusing on the certification, but yes, if you are getting the certification, that is good. For example, you are getting something free, so that will be good for you, no? So you should take the courses which is good for you, which is good for your field, whatever field you are from computer, from management, from whatever commerce, science, whatever field you are from. You just take those courses. These courses are free, and obviously this is from Cisco ThinkCubator. Anything, just leave in the comment whatever your views on these videos and all. I think all of you are safe in this corona time, and you are free to do this course, and obviously it is a good course. So stay safe with your family, and I hope your family is also safe. So stay safe, stay good, stay healthy. Thank you.